So, you're asking, what should you not forget on a cruise? Well, that is a good question. And I will tell you what you should not forget on a cruise. And welcome back to the channel. I'm your host, Rob, from Cruising on the High Seas. So, today's topic is what you shouldn't forget on this cruise ship. So, there are many things you do not want to forget on the cruise ship. My top 3 items you do not want to forget on the cruise ship, in no particular order. These are 3 things you do not want to forget on the cruise ship. The first thing, any documents. You don't want to forget any documents that you will need, as you will need it to disembark the cruise ship and go through customs, maybe even immigration, if you are disembarking where you did not embark the cruise ship. For example, if you embark in Miami, Florida, and it is a transatlantic cruise to Barcelona, Spain, you will have to more likely clear not only customs but also immigration. But I have never done a transatlantic cruise yet, so I can't say 100% sure. But long story short, you do not want to forget any documents on board. Now you might ask, what kind of documents? I'm talking about passports, birth certificates, driver's license, anything that has a value that you need to identify that is you. You do not want to forget them on the ship. The second item that you don't want to forget on the ship is any money. You don't want to forget about any money, especially bringing money with you into the port of call. Now you may ask why. Well, the reason why you want to bring money in with you to the port of call is so you can spend money at the port, of course, because you may not want to use your debit or credit card at the ports, because having physical money on hand is the best way to control how much you're spending at each port. Where if you're using a debit or credit card, you don't have the money physically in hand, so you can't physically see it disappear. So, using money, physical money in hand, is the best thing to not forget on the ship. Now for the third one, let's have a little fun with this one. Let's not forget to bring your significant other, husband, wife, boyfriend, girlfriend, even kids. Let's put in the loop. You don't want to forget them on the ship, even though you know you want to. At least maybe sometimes, But you don't want to forget them on the ship. Because, or, maybe you do. Or maybe you just want to stay on the ship. long story short, don't forget them on the ship, because you'll miss them. So, let's bring them along with us too. Well, that does it for this video. So, if you have any other items that I did not list that you do not want to forget on the ship, and I only mentioned 3, so you should be able to come up with some, leave them in the comment section down below in that comment section. And while you're down there, please consider subscribing to this channel, smashing that like button, ringing that bell with notifications set to all, so you will know when I have released another video. Until then, I will see you on the high seas. Bye for now.